Dear mean people, I'm sorry if I'm making it difficult to sell your product to cleaners. I only want to make a positive change in the industry, providing people with tested products that have been proven moneymakers for businesses. There's enough room for everyone, and I hope we can all just work together to make this industry great. Sincerely, Rob Allen. P.S. Can you return my BLM machine? I don't mind lending it out, it's just I'll need it back.
Dear Rob Allen, screw your apology about making positive change in the industry. I've been selling the same product for years until you came along. If I see you take one more of my customers, I'm going to kick your butt so hard, Groutmaster going to come out. Sincerely, the mean people. P.S. Screw your VLM machine. I ain't even got that thing anymore.